My channel presents a closer look at the 2026 BMW R20, a bold concept turned reality that redefines modern muscle cruisers. Today, we're exploring what makes this machine one of BMW's most aggressive and talked about motorcycles. Design and presence. The BMW R20 delivers raw visual impact. A massive boxer engine dominates the frame, paired with a minimalist body, wide tank, and exposed mechanical elements. The low stance, thick rear tire, and sculpted metal surfaces give it a brutal, custom-built feel straight from the factory. Engine and performance. At the heart of the R20 is a powerful boxer engine tuned for deep torque and instant response. Throttle input feels direct, delivering strong pull at low and mid-range speeds. The sound and vibration add character, making every ride feel mechanical, alive, and unapologetically bold. Ride and handling. Despite its muscular build, the R20 remains surprisingly composed. A rigid frame and premium suspension help balance weight and stability, while the low seat height improves confidence at slow speeds. This bike favors strong road presence and straight-line dominance over aggressive corner carving. Technology and features. The R20 blends modern tech with old-school attitude. A clean digital display, advanced braking systems, and refined electronics enhance safety without distracting from the bike's raw nature. Everything feels purposeful, with no unnecessary clutter. Who is it for? The 2026 BMW R20 is built for riders who want exclusivity, power, and unmistakable design. It's not about practicality, it's about emotion, presence, and making a statement every time the engine fires up. Final thoughts. The BMW R20 proves BMW can push boundaries beyond tradition. It's daring, powerful, and unforgettable, a true statement bike for 2026.